Fighter Prime. I'm back doing Zoids Infinity Blast. Now, I want to apologize for my last video. I didn't realize I had the settings wrong, so you hear the game audio more, and you can barely even hear me. This time I fixed it. I'd run through several tests, and I'm 50% sure this is the right settings. Not that confident in myself. But let's get this game over. We did our daily excavation for this mysterious Zoid. And now we get to go, but let's get some things first. Was it this one? I forget. I don't even know where I am here. First, let's get some upgrades. Oh wait, this is a wrong spot. This is where we customize the Zoids. Come on. Now we're moving on to part 2, but first let's get some weapons. I don't know what these are. What should we go with? Let's go with the bit cannon. We don't really have that many weapons. Let's go with part 2 now. Oh, but first let's choose a different Zoid and customize them. Now we'll be doing 5 normal missions and 5 side missions. Let's go. Which one should we choose? We went with the Spinal. Let's go with T-Rex this time. Before we do, I gotta see his. He has a 3 moveset, so we can only choose 2 weapons to equip him with. Nothing bad there. Let's give him thrusters. And claws. We already gave the fire look to the Spinal. Let's go with something else. Put the red. And this should be good. I did. Okay, let's save this. Let's start with the side quest first. Choosing our new Zoid to fight. We'll go with the. Let's go with the T. We're going with our T-Rex. Or what was it called again? I forget. I really wish I could understand what she's saying. We're fighting a scorpion, and it's wow, heavily armored. We might have the size as advantage and advantage, just we're bigger, but he's faster and smaller. Oh, death threats. And the scorpion. This one has Stone Edge too. And I'm seeing me glowing purple. And apparently I breathe fire too. Back off, you overgrown bug. Whoa! Final blast. So you get jumped on and you get drilled. That hurt. And my parts are glowing pink. Death threats for the win. And we got all 3 gifts. Pink job and 2 gifts, which I don't know, but they're probably points. Hopefully we don't get a surprise. Looks like we're facing another Triceratops one. I keep forgetting the names of these things. Man, now this thing has 5 horns on it. Your classic Triceratops versus T-Rex battle. Am I fighting a shadow one? Back off, you overgrown. Yes. Tail slam. And he's out of here. Well, shouldn't be too soon. It's only round 1. Oops, wrong button. Yeah, this guy's final blasting drains very fast. Ah. And that's a win. Ah, I didn't get the prize. It's starting to do a little late. Oh wait, no. Well, I think I'm gonna be doing 4-4 today. And it's my channel, I can do whatever I want. Wait, what? I didn't choose this guy. Spino versus Turtle? This is the standard one. I didn't. Was I test my skills here? Oh boy. Death from above. Yes! Oh wait, that's only part one. Too far. Man, that saw's overkill. How's that thing's shield still up? For a turtle, it's packing firepower and defense. I'm clearly not gonna get the bonus for this thing. Oh crud. Come on. Gotcha. God. Oh crap, time. And he killed me. I lost to a turtle. Come on. I am not going to lose to a turtle. This should do it, I hope. Come on, come on, come on. I'm going to lose again. Crap. Yes! Whew, that was nerve-wracking. Oh, I didn't get the bonus weapon, but at least I got these.
Yes. Oh.
Oh, dear, I think I'm doing just 3. That turtle one was very tough. Alright, we only did 3, so we'll be doing 3 here. First, prizes are 3 gifts, and we're fighting a bird. You don't see that many bird Zoids around these days. Mostly just the best animals like lions, dinosaurs, and all the other stuff. But birds, not so much. Phoenixes, yes. Death Rats versus Sonic Bird. Really? Sonic Bird? That's what it's... Wait, what? Super effective. Wait, what? That was the fastest mission ever. 100%. That bird didn't even stood up a chance. Was this a mission or a training section? Nice artwork. I had to take a picture of it. I couldn't help myself. Alright, now we're moving on to round 2. And we're fighting a crocodile. This one has a bunch of death traps. Stonehenge. Oh. Back off, you lizard. Oh, wait, too soon. Or maybe not. A death roll? Ah, this thing. Good thing we're not fighting the water. That would be a serious disadvantage. Oop. Ah, I missed my chance. And I gotta finish this quick. My battery's almost out. What was that? I think I used Dark Days that moves Zoids used. I'm sorry about the Pokemon references. So I have to make this one short. My battery's almost dead. This is our last mission. And we're fighting with another turtle. Oh my god, this thing's packing heat. I think I'm about to go extinct. Death Rex versus Grand Turtle. First, I think. Let's just make this fast. Ah, crap, he did his shield. Outright missiles. And that's critical hit. Oh. Oh, so that's what that move was. That was a rock storm. That's what I'm calling it. I grab a piece of rock and destroy with my drill mouth and launch it at my opponent. Watch me all the rock type moves on this thing. Ooh, he's confused. Time for a final blast. Let's crack that shell. Ah, we didn't get the thrusters. Oh well, maybe on the next episode.
待ってたわ。
Unfortunately, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Looks like hopefully I fixed the audio on this thing so you actually hear me. And look for the rest of the missions. I'll see you next time. This is Lighter Prime signing out.